Hello everyone, good morning. Happy Tuesday. How's everyone doing? So I'm here today in the shopping center. We just went a while ago. We're just walking around outside and then we decided to go here, and I'm just having a snack. So kain po tayo. Kasi po I drank my medicine this morning and I supposed to wait for an hour before I take my meal. But since I'm out, so I just decided to take this food with me, all mixed fruits, para magkaroon ng laman ng tiyan ko. So, kumusta po ang Tuesday? Today, the weather here is quite cold. It's 1 degree Celsius, but it feels like -4. And then, when we were walking earlier, going to the shop, the road is quite slippery because there are, it's not a snow, but it's a frost. So, kapag medyo po nagda-dry, medyo po madulas. Kaya we are walking quite slow because we don't really want to sleep. Dito po ako kasama ang aking anak with my son Kirsten. And since today is Tuesday, guys. Since today is Tuesday, guys, we always offer a complimentary live webinar. So, for those who don't know me yet, I'm Rosel and I'm a business owner and mentor. I'm running my own digital business from home, which I can bring anywhere I go, anytime, guys. So, for those people who are looking for a second income stream while you are working, maybe you want to check this out. The link is on my bio, so you can watch our live webinar later in the afternoon, and in Ireland, it's 1 a.m. Is it 1 a.m.? 12 midnight. It's 1 a.m. Yes, it's 1 a.m. Umupo lang po kami dito habang ako'y nag-snack kasi I want to enjoy my food. I don't want to eat while walking. I'm not in a hurry to go home. So, yun po. Nandito po kami sa bench ng shopping center. And we are just enjoying our time here. And I saw a lot of sales in most of the shops here because it's January. So, most of the shops are on sale. And there's not a lot of people here at the moment because it's quite early. It's, I think it's nearly 10. It's nearly 10 a.m. here. That's why it's quite early. And some of the shops are still closed. Today, the kids are all back to school. That's why road is during morning and afternoon are quite busy. It's traffic. And I'm just really glad that I won't deal with those traffic anymore. That's why I'm so grateful for my business. So, I hope guys you are having a nice day, and yun lang po, I just had this I need to hop on here to invite you about our live webinar later. And my son is also a business owner, and he has a link too.
Hello, it's www.kirstenaploke.com if you want to sign up to me.
Yeah. And what will happen na?
You'll get an email. It could be your junk, so you better check it out. And you are registered for a live webinar, but you can also watch the replay. It depends if you have time.
Yes. And what's good about this business na? So yes guys, we are inviting you all to register on our link. Mine is www.rosellamploque.com, and he already told his link. So we will guide you in every step of the way once you decided to hop in and join our business and start your own business as well. So guys, thanks for watching, and thank you for all my new followers. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day ahead, and God bless you all. Bye.